Section 2. Deep Dive. Unmasking the hidden dirt. Now, before you go all gung-ho with the cleaning spray, let's talk strategy. Remember, we're not just cleaning for the sake of cleaning here. We're cleaning with a purpose. We're on a mission to uncover hidden dirt, grime, and those pesky abnormalities that can wreak havoc on our efficiency. Start by taking a step back and really looking at your workspace. Where are the high-traffic areas? Where does dust tend to accumulate? What about those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies that rarely see the light of day, or the business end of a cleaning cloth? Once you've identified the areas that need the most attention, it's time to gather your cleaning arsenal. And no, I'm not talking about just any old cleaning supplies. We're talking about the good stuff, the heavy hitters, the cleaning equivalent of a Jedi Master's lightsaber. Think microfiber cloths, all-purpose cleaners, disinfectant wipes, and maybe even a toothbrush or two for those extra stubborn spots. Don't judge, we've all been there.